Hey there. Today we'll discuss about mindfulness in nature, and you get 10 ideas of exercises how mindfulness can be practiced in nature. Can you picture a moment with a serene escape into nature, where time slows down and your senses awaken to the wonders around you? In the midst of our fast-paced lives, it is still possible to find moments of stillness and tranquility, but it takes effort. Mindfulness in nature offers a gateway to connect with the world around us, fostering a sense of peace and rejuvenation. Join us as we embark on an enchanting journey, exploring 10 mindfulness exercises that blend the magic of nature with the art of being present. One, mindful walking. Take a slow, deliberate walk in nature, paying full attention to each step you take. Feel the ground beneath your feet, notice the sensation of movement, and observe the sights, sounds, and smells around you. Two, nature observation. Find a comfortable spot to sit and observe nature around you. Notice the colors, shapes, and textures of the plants and trees. Listen to the sounds of birds chirping or leaves rustling in the wind. Three, 5 senses meditation. Engage all your senses by focusing on what you can see, hear, smell, taste, and touch in nature. This exercise helps anchor you to the present moment and enhances your connection to the environment. 4, breathing meditation. Sit comfortably in nature and bring your attention to your breath. Focus on the sensation of breathing in and out, allowing any distractions to pass without judgment. Five, body scan. Lie down on the ground or sit with your eyes closed and scan your body from head to toe, paying attention to any sensations or tension you might feel. Six, mindful photography. Bring a camera or use your phone to take photos of the beautiful scenery around you. As you take each photo, immerse yourself in the moment and capture the essence of nature. 7, cloud gazing. Find a relaxing spot to lie down and watch the clouds as they pass by. Observe their shapes and movements without trying to interpret them. Eight, tree hugging. This exercise probably is or isn't for you. I guess it depends on a person, but you can always try if this works for you. Embrace a tree with an open heart and feel its energy. Notice the texture of the bark, the strength of the trunk, and the connection you feel with nature. Nine, nature journaling. Bring a journal with you and jot down your thoughts, feelings, and observations about your experience in nature. 10, gratitude practice. Take a few moments to express gratitude for the natural world around you. Appreciate the beauty and wonder of nature and its ability to provide a sense of peace and rejuvenation. Remember that mindfulness in nature is about being fully present, without judgment, and embracing the simplicity and tranquility of the natural world. Take your time, savor the experience, and allow yourself to be nourished by the healing power of nature. Have a mindful day, and until next time.